Hello everyone, this question is 4 to the power 10 plus 4 to the power 10 plus 4 to the power 10 plus 4 to the power 10 over 2 to the power 10 plus 2 to the power 10. So what is the value? First of all, I can say here is 4 to the power 10 is common. If I divide 4 to the power 10 by 4 to the power 10, I can say this value is 1, again this value is 1, again this value is 1, again this value is 1. Now here is 2 to the power 10 is common, so I can say easily 2 to the power 10 is common. If I divide 2 to the power 10 by 10, 2 to the power 10, this time I can say this is 1 and again this is 1. Now here is 4 to the power 10, here is 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 equal to 4, and here is 2 to the power 10 and here is 1 plus 1 equal to 2. Now 4 divided 2 is equal to 2, and here is 4 to the power 10. We know that 2 times 2 is equal to 4, power is 10 times this 2 over 2 to the power 10. Now this exponent is 1, this exponent is 1, so 1 times 10 is equal to 2 to the power 10 times 2 to the power 10 times 2 over 2 to the power 10. So 2 to the power 10, 2 to the power 10 is cancelled. This time I can say 2 to the power 10 times 2 to the power 1. We know that a to the power n times a to the power m equal to a to the power n plus m. So I can say easily 2 to the power 10 plus 1 equal to 2 to the power 11. So this is the answer. Thank you all.